This tutorial will help you understand how to upload new design client work. First, log into your Basecamp. When you get on Basecamp, you will notice on the right-hand side you have a listing of all of your projects. You have a project with your name. It may say Greg Downs Design Project, or it may say Greg Downs and his sales ID number. Either way, this is where you upload your design work for your clients. Now, all of these instructions are also located in your project path. If you go to your Who's Your Caddy Sales Reps project, go to the Write Boards, and you will find the Write Board under the advertising section that says Ads Sold, What Now? This has all of the step-by-steps that I'm about to show you, including where you will find the design process step by step. If you look down here under item number 4, where you're submitting the ad for design or the fully designed ad by a client, under C, it refers to the design process step by step under the Files tab. Same thing here in Basecamp. If you go back to your main project, you have a Files tab on your Who's Your Caddy Sales Reps, and you will find that step by step. Just scroll down and you will find the document, Design Project Process Step by Step. All you've got to do is open that up and follow those key steps. Now, 2 things to note. Number 1, if you're starting brand new from scratch, this is your very first one. This is going to walk you through it. A couple of these things may not make sense totally, but feel free to call me. This is Laura. Second to that, if a client designs their own art, there is an addendum on page 2 here that talks about uploading the final proofs. That's the stage you'll complete. You will still do the steps to create their to-do list, put it in your design project, but then from that point on you'll be able to just upload their art rather than following the process to submit the detailed logos and things for our team to design it. You'll just upload the final artwork. So I want to show you in Basecamp how to do that. So back to your dashboard, that's your main page where you land when you come in. Click on your own design project. Again, that's just the project with your name on it. And you will note you've got these tabs across the top. You want to select To Do. You're going to create a to-do list for yourself. And you're going to select over here on the right, New To-Do List. Now put the name of your customer here. Okay. And you can put your sales ID. And you'll notice that you have an option to use a to-do template. We want you to use that because we've preset all the steps you need in the project. You can put some comments here for yourself if you need to and create the list. You'll notice that pops up. There's my Jimmy Jackson sandwiches, my ID number, and all of the things I need to do. So, client contact, I've contacted them, I've worked through the process, I've made the sale. Click Done. Now I need to upload their signed contract. Easy to do. In this same project, go to the Files tab, click Upload a File. Now they would have emailed you or provided you a digital version of their logo, something. You save it on your computer. Then I go here, I choose which file to upload. In this case, I'm going to upload their logo so that our design team can use it. I'll notify the design team that I've done it, click Upload the file, and it will be there. Now this sometimes takes a minute depending on the size of the file, and you definitely want to make sure that you have also followed and given them the guidelines on what to provide you. Remember, that's under the graphic submission. These are all on your sales_downloads link that you can give to your clients so that they know what to provide, what the sizing and so forth are. And there's that version for if we're going to design it, and there's also the client provides a completed ad version that gives them the instructions they need to be able to upload. again, under your sales_downloads link. You should give these to them, obviously, before they give you the art back. Now you'll notice there's my file. So I go back to my to-do list tab, check it off. Now, your clients should also be providing you a design worksheet. And this we need whether we design or whether your customer does. And so they can sketch in here kind of what they want their art to look like if we're designing it, but definitely the information on the left needs to be filled out. Okay, especially the call to action, the URL ad for the link, any sample ads that they already have seen that they like, any special instructions. So if we're going to link to their website or link to a YouTube video, we need to have that detail URL for the ad link. We need to have that included. All you've got to do, have them fill this out. You can scan it. You can also fax it. If you need help with that, again, call me. If you fax it to me, it converts to a PDF. I'll be happy to then turn around and upload it right into your design project for you. Again, I'm back to my checklist. Click. I've uploaded the design worksheet. You upload that in the files as well. Okay, I've uploaded the logo, the digital information, whatever I need. Now, at this point, our designer will start the design work. You will receive a notice back when they have a proof for you to take to the customer with some instructions. You'll have a chance to come back in. You'll notice each one of these to-do items. When I'm hovering over it, it pops up a little talk button. It will allow you to put comments in here. They like the red, but want a darker blue. You know, whatever you need to do. Again, notify the design team. Okay, and our designer will check that off when it's been completed. Then you will get their proof. When you get the proof, there will be a signature block there for them to approve the ad or make their comments. You'll be able to, again, upload that into the Files tab, notify back to the designer that it's there, and when it's approved, same thing. So any changes the first time and when it's approved the second time. This will really guide you through the process. Once you get in and follow these key steps, again, it tells you how to set up your to-do project and how to title the name of the project, you know, all the way through. We've been pretty detailed here on these step by step, but that will ensure that you're able to create the design to-do checklists for each one of your clients in your own design project. Now, if you notice, if I go back to the overview, you'll see all that activity that you've completed right there in your design project. If I go back to the dashboard, you'll also notice that you have that in your main summary area. So each customer that you have, it's very, very simple. You come in, you go to your design project, you create a new to-do list, and follow the checklist to get that to-do list completed. Any questions? Call me. Laura, 801-648-7701. Talk soon.